Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Wix, how to create your website on Wix for self-defense training business on Wix isn't quick. So first type Wix on the search. So as we know, Wix website is a type of website that you can create easily using a platform called Wix. It helps you build your own site without needing to know much about coding. Wix offers various tools to design, add content and customize your site, making it accessible for people who aren't tech savvy. So first, create new site. Now build with Wix editor. So here enter your website type or your business type. For example, let's choose this. If you want to skip, you can skip from here. Now enter your business name, type any business name you want. Here if you want to add your business address. Now let's move on. Here set your default working hours. Here if you want to add some services. Add your staff. What else do you want to do with your business? Offer virtual sessions, accepting personal payments. So I'm gonna choose them all. Now continue to dashboard. So design your site from here. Now how would you like to design your website? If you wanna let Wix create a site for you, or if you wanna customize the design template. So for me, I'm gonna choose this, and it's more easier. Here enter your information, your name, your business name, your email, your address, and your phone. And here if you wanna add social link. So let's continue. Pick a theme you like. So for example, this. Now pick your favorite homepage design. So let's choose this. Here if you wanna add some pages to your site. Now your site is up and running. So if you wanna edit more your website, click here. So this is your home page website. Here the settings of the home page. So if you wanna add elements, click here. So the first element here is the text element. If you wanna edit the form or the size of the text, the same text, the titles and the paragraphs. Now let's move on to the image. Here if you wanna upload image, if you wanna upload image or import image, if you're looking for some free Wix image or free Wix illustrations. So that's it. Now let's move on to the button. Here you find the buttons, the themed buttons, and the text and icon buttons, the icon buttons, and the image buttons, and the documents buttons, and the iTunes buttons. Here you find the payment buttons. You have to add some payment buttons on your homepage website. Now let's move on to the strip. So here you find classic, featured, about, services, contact, welcome, testimonials, and team. So you can select anyone from here and you can put it on your home page, easy and quick. Now let's move on to decorative. Here you find the shapes, the themed lines, and the basic shapes, and the arrows, the horizontal lines, and the vertical lines. Now let's move on to the vector art. Here you find featured, icons, animals and nature, logos and the badges and characters. Here you find video box, video mask, and transparent video. So let's move on to the box elements. Here you find the themed boxes, the container boxes, and the hover boxes, and the tabs. Now let's move on to the gallery. The gallery element here, if you're looking for some recommended galleries, if you want to add pro galleries or guide galleries or slider galleries, or if you want to show more galleries. So that's it. Now let's move on to the menu and anchor. Here you find your menus. Here you find the themed menus, the horizontal menus, and the vertical menus. Here the in-page navigation, you find the anchor and the in-page menu. Here the site search. So if you wanna add, if you wanna edit the site search, now let's move on to the contact and forms. Here you find the contact forms, the order forms, the registration forms, the donation forms, the application forms, the feedback forms and request forms, and the waiver and subscribe forms. You have to add any one of them on your home page at any place you want. Here you find the Google Maps, the normal maps and the full width maps. The last here is the Wix chat and the line button. Now let's move on to the video and the music. Here if you want to add some single video players, Wix video or video box, video mask and transparent video. Here the music if you want to add some audio players, Wix music, SoundCloud player and Spotify player and the iTunes button. Now let's move on to the interactive. Here you find the slideshows if you want to edit the full width slideshows or the box slideshows. You find the light boxes elements. Here you find the hover boxes and the tabs, and the last here is the repeaters, the hover repeaters. So that's it. Now let's move on to the list element. Here you find the repeaters, the hover repeaters and the blank repeaters. You can select any one you want from the hover repeaters and the blank repeaters. So let's move on to the embed code. Here if you want to custom popular embeds, if you want to add some single video players, if you want to edit your audio elements, here SoundCloud player, Spotify player and the iTunes button. Here the advanced element, you have the marketing tools and the Velo dev mode, and here you find the animation elements. Now let's move on to the social bar. Here social elements. If you want to add the social bar, just select any social bar from here, or if you want to add the Facebook link, Twitter or Pinterest or VK or Line, or here if you want to add some your channel link on YouTube on your home page. Now let's move on to the payments element. Here you find the payments buttons, the payments forms and the pricing plans, and the last is the store. If you want to use the CMS, if you want to easily manage your site contents, here you find the blog. If you want to share your expertise and engage with your audience, if you want to manage your store. Also here the bookings, the bookings elements and the related elements and the pricing plans. Here the events if you want to create and manage events, and here you find the community elements and your designs elements. So that's it. Now if you want to add section, click here, select any section from here you want to add on your home page. That's it. Now let's move on to the menu, page and menus. So here you can add page. This is the site menu. You can add the page if you want. Now let's move on to the site design. If you want to customize your site design, the color theme or the text theme or the page background or the page transitions. If you want to add more apps, if you want to manage your business, if you want to upload media, so you can edit your images and videos. You can, if you're looking for some free Wix images or free Wix videos, if you want to use the CMS, easily manage your site content. And the last here is the marketing and SEO. If you want to manage the Google ads or Facebook ads or SEO or marketing, social media marketing or marketing integrations. So that's it. Now after you're done from designing your website, all you have to do is click here publish, and you're gonna publish your website easy and quick. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.